but heavy rain is possible. As far as the allergies go, they're good. The grass is low, the weeds are low, and so the tree pollen finally moving out. Good news of the allergens because of all the rain showers we've had. Not a lot of rain, but rain showers.
Hi, so just a word of warning. If you're going to be out in the early afternoon sun today, it is an 8. That is high. That means 15 minutes of sunburn in that afternoon sun without sunblock. Tomorrow, we're going to have clouds rolling in, so we'll see a much lower UV index. But today, it's going to be up in the high range. And I know yesterday we had just a little bit of sun, but today we'll be soaking in the sun as we get past about 10 a.m. Right now, we're still under clouds here in the Twin Cities. It has not been, I would not say, you know how I like to grade things, right?
Yeah.
I would say C- for this June so far.
And this stretch ahead looks wet and
it's going to be challenging to get things done outdoors again. But today is going to be wonderful. And if you are going to be outdoors this afternoon, just remember that sunburn time is very quick. 15 minutes is all it takes in that early afternoon sun. Now tomorrow we're going to add more clouds to the sky, and we may start getting back into some of that smoke from those Canada wildfires. They do not have any control.
And then we've got the UV that you're looking at as well, and that looks pretty impressive right there.
It is, and it's an 8 today, and that's pretty high. We can get up to 10. That is the highest that we'll see it in the Twin Cities, but in Florida, you'll see sometimes 11 and 12, and what that means is pretty much you're sunburning the minute you walk outside. But today, it's 15 minutes of sunburn in that early afternoon sun without sunblock. June, of course, the highest sun angle, and that highest sun angle occurs on that first day of summer, which is June 20th. Now, tomorrow we have some clouds around. We'll have some sun, but we'll have some clouds too, and that'll kind of limit the sunburn time and knock that down to 45 minutes to sunburn in that early afternoon without sunblock. So some natural sunblock coming our way tomorrow. Now, there is a little bit of smoke in the air right now.
Of rain out of this. So some very heavy rain, but honestly not a lot of humidity. Dew points stay pretty comfortable as we go through the end of the week. We'll look toward next week. There's your sun.
Here's what to expect against the Rangers tonight. Mostly sunny at 6:40. We're likely still in the low 80s. We're in purple for Prince night. Tomorrow, we'll see another game, but there could be a few thunderstorms in the afternoon. Temperatures will likely be into the lower 70s. Because of that, sun delays will be possible. Then on Thursday at 12, we're talking about a few showers. Delays will be possible. Again, temperatures heaviest. So you're late if you haven't left yet, but if you're headed to the Twins game tonight for Prince night, it's mostly sunny. It will be dry. Tomorrow evening at 6:40, the potential is there for a couple delays because we're looking at a few showers and temperatures that will be in the low 70s.
As we go through the next few days, those dew points will come up. It'll be around 60 degrees for the dew point on Thursday. That's a little bit humid. You step outside and you're like, a little humid. Friday and Saturday, a little more comfortable, but Sunday, those dew points start going up, and we're going to be in that sticky, humid,
settled period, but I will say we'll probably get some gaps in the rain, especially between now and then. One of those gaps, of course, in the morning tomorrow, so if you need to mow, do it in the morning. Do it in the morning on Thursday as well, but I'd probably hold off Friday, as Friday